Welcome to RT's Distributed CNC Machining Workshops, a precise, flexible solution for customized machining. Unlike traditional centralized factories, our CNC workshops operate on a distributed layout with centralized management and control model. This setup preserves the high precision of CNC machining while using the flexibility of scattered locations to better meet the customized needs and delivery schedules of clients across industries. In terms of hardware, each distributed workshop is equipped with industry-standard CNC equipment based on actual needs. It includes vertical CNC milling machines, horizontal CNC lathes, and 5-axis machining centers covering everything from simple shaft parts to complex irregular structural components. This is especially suitable for meeting the stricto 005 mm tolerance requirements in expert machining metal services for precision parts. Additionally, the workshop is equipped with inspection tools like coordinate measuring machines and laser diameter gauges to calibrate dimensional accuracy in real time during processing, avoiding efficiency losses from centralized inspection. For production collaboration, we use a centrally manage all distributed workshops. Once an order is received, client requirements for machining parts are broken down into standardized production tasks and assigned to the most suitable workshop. For example, workshops close to auto parts clients prioritize auto parts machine shop and services orders, while workshops with large stroke machines focus on large part machining services. This prevents delivery delays caused by overloading a single workshop and reduces logistics costs and transportation damage by producing parts nearby. When handling urgent orders, we can quickly dispatch capacity from nearby workshops, shortening delivery cycles by 20-30. The core advantage of this distributed CNC model lies in its rapid response to customized needs, whether for small batch precision metal parts, such as sensor housings, or medium to large batch structural parts, like equipment frames in machined parts. Orders across industries: automotive, medical, industrial equipment. Each distributed workshop can flexibly adjust machine parameters and production processes based on part materials: aluminum alloy, stainless steel, engineering plastics, and processing difficulty. No need for large-scale modifications to centralized production lines. Also, every workshop retains flexibility for small batch trial production plus batch optimization. For example, we provide 3-5 samples for client verification before quickly iterating on processing techniques based on feedback. This ensures the quality standards of machined parts manufacturers while avoiding cost waste during trial production. Moreover, quality control across distributed workshops adheres to unified standards, from raw material incoming inspection to first piece inspection and in-process sampling during processing to full-ray inspection before finished products are shipped, even for parts produced in different workshops. This truly delivers on the promise of decentralized production without decentralized quality. For clients needing stable, efficient CNC machining services, this distributed workshop model means closer delivery distances and faster response times, as well as the assurance of capacity matched to needs and controllable costs. Whether handling urgent orders or long-term bulk production, part manufacturer distributed CNC machining workshops serve as your reliable machine parts suppliers with precise craftsmanship and flexible scheduling.